pilot project is something that goes beyond itself to create change in the world. This is a place where ingenuity and resourcefulness and a vision of a sustainable use of our resources comes together. Values are always being shaped, they're always contestable, they're always being wrestled with, and media and advertising is always playing a huge part of that. So our physical environment can and should offer alternatives to the way that we see the world. My point of view is that human flourishing is really is the fundamental goal of our work. And if we can find ways to respect and honor the natural environment, we're going to have a better life. We really feel that design needs to be channeled into innovative adaptability. We've just got to learn how to adapt well and adapt in a way that is inspirational, more inspirational than building the new thing. The pilot project is really to be a catalyst. We've created a reputation for tackling the difficult problems. Every one of our projects is a learning opportunity for us as a design community and for our clients and for the users of these projects. So the Orchard Street project is a pilot because we're redesigning Orchard Street so that all the other streets can actually follow suit and learn from that experience. With the Brooklyn Bridge Forest, we're actually trying to create an example to the rest of the world of how forests can be conserved by using wood in this particular way. With the Green Hub, this is one of thousands of crappy parking structures around the world that are just waiting to be adapted and used to support bicycling and bicycling culture and community gardening. So this idea of a catalytic project that's at the core of who we are. It's quite common that design can be kind of a black box where designers, listen to the client for a certain period of time and then walk away and develop a solution in isolation and say, here's what we've come up with. And for a designer, that's a difficult thing to give up because we're taught to own the product and sort of stamp our name on it and say, we designed that. What we like to do is actually involve clients in the conversation about this process all the way through. We call it participatory design. So we spend as much effort on making sure that the people that are involved in this can see what we're doing and see what the potential outcomes are and are actually involved in making decisions in the design process. So many of our clients are willing to experiment, willing to actually take some risks to test out an idea, whether it's in the workplace, whether it's in the city, and say, we think there's something more here. How can we transform that into something that meets today's needs, exceeds those needs, and says something to us about our vision for the world?